Welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here we'll show about how to increase likes in your Instagram post. First here we'll open Instagram and check the profile. Scroll down and refresh it. Now go back to home and open any web browser. Next here search tag for Instagram. Watch the video till end. Now tap on Tag Blender, which is located at the top of the screen, to get more likes on your Instagram post. Here scrolling down and you can find your best hashtags. Tap on word which hashtags you will need. Here I am tap on fashion to get fashion hashtags. Also you can see here in fashion individual parts. Select fashion hashtag and copy it. Now go Insta profile. Tap plus icon to post new photo. Here select your photo. After selecting your photo, tap next. Now in caption box, paste your hashtags. Also you add your own caption and tap OK. And last, tap on share. Wait few seconds for posted a photo. You can see that photo is posted. Now here scrolling down and refresh all. You can see here that I get more followers and more likes. If you want this, follow the next steps. Now go to search and here search for Gucci. In Gucci, open the Gucci hashtags. Here open recent photos and videos. Now from here you need to follow the best Instagram profiles. You have to follow the profiles which have liked these posts. Also these profiles are follow back to you. Find best profiles and follow them. In each post you can find the best profile. First make sure that find best profile on Insta and then follow them. Follow this profile, I'm sure that you get response from them. Now we'll check response from that profiles. All you can see here. Also the followers are liked your post. Guys, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new videos.